Hello, and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage presented by CentFX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's today's financial headlines.
On Monday, Amazon's stock price closed at $182.13, reflecting a decline of 1.5% due to concerns over slowing e-commerce growth and weaker-than-expected quarterly revenue. The Nikkei index traded above $34,000 on Tuesday, extending gains from the previous session and taking cues from a strong lead on Wall Street overnight. WTI crude oil futures rose to around $62 per barrel on Tuesday, after President Donald Trump hinted at another tariff exemption. The Australian dollar is climbing towards 64 cents on Tuesday, marking its fifth consecutive session of gains, as improved global risk appetite fueled a rally in Antipodean currencies. Bitcoin traded at around $85,000 this Tuesday, increasing by 0.9% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin gained 2.5%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the unemployment rate for February, following 4.4% in January. At 9 a.m., the Economic Sentiment Index in Germany is expected to decrease, after reaching 51.6 in March. At 12:30 p.m., Canada will release figures for the annual inflation rate of March, following 2.6% in February. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the annual inflation rate for March, following 2.8% in February. At 12:30 p.m., the retail sales in the US are expected to increase, after reaching 0.2% in February. At 1:45 p.m., Canada will release figures for the interest rate of April, following 2.75% in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CentFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.